Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh and Babe. Babe isn't here right now, so you're stuck with me.
I'm right here.
But you didn't want to be on video.
But I'm still here.
Okay, hi. And welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe, who refuses to be on camera. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a choice beef, boneless, ribeye steak out on the 22-inch Blackstone Flattop Griddle. Alright, so you might be saying, Josh, why are you showing us how to do steaks on the Blackstone Griddle? Well, I'll tell you why. These are a little bit thinner ribeye steaks. Now, normally when we get those big, thick, bone-in 2-inch ribeyes, we'll do that on the Weber kettle. But it's Friday night, everybody's hungry, and once you get that Blackstone piping hot, the sear, the crust on it is really actually amazing. So let's get these seasoned up. I'll show you the process, and it's that easy. All right, so as you can see, we have 3 boneless, fairly thin, about 1 inch ribeye. I already started seasoning. Today I chose the Spade L Ranch. I use this on tri-tip, I use this on beef. It's a really nice marinade. Babe and I picked it up in Northern California. I shouldn't say marinade, this is a really nice rub. It has a little bit of sugar in it. It has salt, pepper, garlic, and a couple of their secret herbs and seasonings. I could see some chili flake in it, stuff like that. The flavor is actually phenomenal. So we'll just get these seasoned up. We're gonna let these sit in the refrigerator for a while, and then we'll go outside to the Blackstone. All right, so here's the plan. Literally, we got our Blackstone screaming hot. Both burners, full blast, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 minutes. You want that thing hot. And then normally you would put down some oil, then you would lay down the steaks. But instead of oil, we're laying down butter, right, Babe?
Yeah, Babe, butter is better.
I mean, we're gonna lay down some butter, let that melt. We're gonna set those steaks down. You wanna press them down a little bit. You want good contact with the Blackstone. We're gonna do 3 minutes each side. These ribeyes aren't that thick. So we wanna do 3 minutes each side, boom, boom, and phenomenal. Literally phenomenal. And you want your steaks to rest a little bit on the sink, outside on your workbench, or a little outdoor setup here. You don't want to put them on piping cold. You want to bring them up to temp a little bit and stuff like that. By the time you're done, you're going to have the perfect medium rare, literally, the rub, the butter, okay, here we go. Time to Blackstone. I mean, ridiculous. That's a 5-minute cook, guys. Come on. All right, they've rested for about 5 minutes or so. I mean, you could obviously see like the juices here. Let's just cut against the grain here. So let's cut a little piece. And you could see a little bit of pink inside perfectly. These are thin steaks. That's what 5-6 minutes on the Blackstone does. All right, it's time for a taste test. Let's cut up a couple bites. Let's get a little taste test here.
I'm gonna be the taste tester.
You're the taste tester?
Yeah.
All right, here we go with the Spade L Ranch on the Blackstone. A little bit of medium ribeye, boneless. What do you think?
That's delicious.
Is it? Let me have a bite. Oh yeah. I mean, holy moly. That's how easy it is to pull off these little tiny ribeyes, boneless. A little bit of rub. Use your favorite barbecue rub, throw them on the Blackstone. If you have a cast iron, do it in your kitchen. Doesn't matter. Right?
Still good.
It's still good. All right, guys, until the next video, thank you so much for watching.
But you should like and subscribe, hit those notifications, and subscribe.
Nice.
Again.
Nice.
Tell your friends to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.
Nice. All right,
And
guys.
hit the notifications.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys later.